Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to install and demo import Astra Premium Starter Templates. First go to your WordPress dashboard and click Appearance, then click Themes. Here click Add New Theme and search for Astra. Okay, this is the Astra free theme. Click Install, then click Activate. Once you install and activate the Astra theme, it will ask to install the starter templates. Actually, this starter template is free, so you can access only the free templates. So if you want to access the premium starter templates, you have to install the Astra Premium Starter Templates plugin. It is paid one. So go to plugins, click add new plugin, click upload plugin, go down, choose file and upload the Astra Premium Site plugin. Click open. Now click install now. Okay, once it installed, click activate plugin. Okay, before moving forward, let's check the plugin is activated with the license. So open the link in a new tab and go to plugins, click install plugin. So here you can see the premium starter templates is installed and click license. You can see the license is active. If you have license key, you can paste here and activate. If it is a GPL one, it is already activated. Okay, let's come back. Here you have to select the page builder. You can use WordPress blog editor, Elementor or BO builder. So my preference is Elementor. So let's select Elementor. So once you select the builder, it will direct you to the starter templates. There are free and premium ones. The premium ones are marked as premium. You can select the preferred templates by clicking this list, or else you can just scroll down and select your preferred one. My preference is this Pizzeria Premium, so let's import the content. So click the template. Here you can upload your logo and other settings, but these things you can do it in later part. So let's skip and continue. Here click continue, and this part make sure these all boxes are ticked, then click submit and build website. It will take a couple of minutes depend on your hosting and internet space, so wait for that. Wow, once it's done, you will get the congratulations message. Then click view your website. Wow, now you can see all the demo contents of the Astra Premium Starter template have been imported. So this is how you import the Astra Premium Starter templates. Thank you.